Flooding in West Virginia and wildfires in California dominated weather news last week, while at about the same latitude, but halfway around the world, violent thunderstorms spawned a deadly tornado in a place that's not typically associated with severe weather. Now, the tornado struck the outskirts of the city of Yanchong in east-central China, near the coast north of Shanghai and about 500 miles south of Beijing. A city of 7 million, Yanchong is a little smaller than New York City and sits at 33 degrees north latitude, the same as U.S. cities such as Phoenix and Atlanta. The thunderstorm complex that spawned the tornado formed near a front that commonly emerges this time of year in eastern China, a boundary known as the WxY front, between drier continental air and warm, humid subtropical air coming north as part of the Indian summer monsoon. WxY is Chinese for plum rains, in reference to this being the time of year when plums ripen in that part of China. Now, here's a map of temperature departures from average last Thursday around the time of the tornado. You're looking mostly at China here. Red and orange mean temperatures well above average, while purple indicates much below average. So this east-west oriented channel of large temperature difference between the two is the WxY front, and Yanchong is near that zone. Here's a satellite close-up last Thursday of the area. High-resolution visible imagery on top, where the tallest thunderstorms are bright white, and textured infrared is on the bottom, where the coldest cloud tops are shaded white and gray. The asterisk marks the location of Yanchong. The thunderstorm complex, formerly a mesoscale convective system that produced the tornado, moved east, essentially parallel to the WxY front. The tornado left a swath of catastrophic damage, leveling homes, factories, and manufacturing plants. At least 99 people were killed, the deadliest tornado in China in a half-century, and more than 800 were injured, many by an accompanying hailstorm. The China Meteorological Administration rated the tornado EF4 on the enhanced Fujita scale, which runs from 0 to 5. Only a few tornadoes per year in the U.S. are rated that high. Now, the climatology of observed tornadoes outside the U.S. is not that well known, but here's some work done at the National Severe Storms Laboratory that computes the probability that the atmosphere can produce tornadoes. So basically, this is tornado potential. Anywhere you see yellow and orange, that potential is highest. The U.S. Central Plains really stands out. It is the most tornado-prone part of the world. And a region in the mid-latitudes of South America is evident as well. There's one other place that's notable, and that's in central and southeast China, the same general area as last week's tornado. It's no coincidence that this is the same part of China where last June more than 400 people were killed when a cruise ship capsized on the Yangtze River during an intense thunderstorm. Stay tuned. The extended forecast is next.